Hi, my name is David Borla, and I'm here at the 2025 SEMA Show in Las Vegas, Nevada. I am the Chief Marketing Officer of Borla Performance Industries, and I'm here with Cruisin' USA to talk a little bit about our SEMA display this year. And what you see here is one of our product walls, and this is what we call one of our technology walls, where we're talking about the different technologies that we use in our exhaust design and development. Many of these technologies are patented technologies that have been sort of developed and invented and owned by us and our team and our brand. So what you have right here is, this is our new aftermarket exhaust for the C8 Z06. We've had a lot of success with our base C8 systems, and Z06 owners have been asking us for a system for quite some time. And it took us a long time to develop this system. There's a ton of technology in it. Believe it or not, this technology here is our SwitchFire Technology, which you can see a different version of here. It's a patented crossover technology that we have that can be configured in a lot of different ways. So this is actually a universal piece. It's a crossover pipe like an X pipe, but it outperforms it and it sounds a lot different. And you can see on this one, this is a hydroform piece. So much of the same technology that you see here has been applied to the way that these pipes are configured here on the Z06. On the Z06, as it is with the base C8, heat cycling and thermal issues are a big challenge on the exhaust for these cars. So for the display, we elected to leave the heat shielding off so that you could see the technology in the design. But if you see that picture over there, that's what it looks like when it's fully shielded. That is a custom heat shield that's been designed specifically for this system, and it protects the exhaust and the valves and all the critical components and body parts. And we did a whole bunch of thermal testing to ensure that you will have no issues with the Borla exhaust on your C8 Z06. You notice these saddles here. These are for valves. The C8 base C8 has 4 valves, AFM valves and NPP valves. The Z06 does not have 4 sets. Sorry, it does not have AFM valves. It only has the NPP valves for modular exhaust or bimodal exhaust. So all the functionality that comes with the stock exhaust, with the different drive modes and the different notes that you can get, we retain all that functionality. Of course, the notes are different because they're Borla notes, but you have the same amount of control where you can go loud and quiet and everything in between with the factory architecture using Borla valves. You might also notice that there are no tips attached to this system, and this is the way the system is designed from the factory. The factory kit also does not have tips welded to the system. Instead, they have what are called fascia tips, and so these pipes float freely inside the inlet of the tips, so that when the exhaust system moves around a little bit, I mentioned sort of like the thermal cycling issues that can cause these pipes to move a little bit. And then obviously the engine is very powerful. It's a mid-engine car. So when you step on the throttle, the entire car's torquing and everything's moving and the exhaust moves around a lot. So we want to keep those tips dead center right on the valance. And so you can use our exhaust system with the stock tips, or if you come over here, we've developed our own tip kit. So this is a direct replacement for the stock tip kit. This will bolt right into place, super easy with common tools. And then you can have a totally different look from the rear of the vehicle with these Borla tips that are carbon fiber tips. If you look from the side or the top, you can kind of see the weave on the carbon fiber there. And these are parts that are all designed and more importantly manufactured 100% in the US in our factory in Tennessee, designed at our design facility in Oxnard, California. We are a made in USA company, so proud to be made in USA.